Good morning, sir. Sir, first question from Miss Maricel Halili, TV5.
Hi, sir. Magandang umaga po. Sir. Hi, magandang umaga po. Sir, there are reports that vote buying is still rampant in other parts of the country. Although this is the mandate of COMELEC, ano po yung gusto nyong sabihin sa publiko? And second, sir, how crucial is barangay and SK elections in terms of governance and midterm elections?
Well, unfortunately, meron pa rin talagang sumusubok at nag-umiikot, lalo na paggabi. Last night, there were some reports, even here in Ilocos Norte, na may mga umiikot na namimili ng boto para dito sa barangay election. Well, syempre lahat yung mga kapulisan natin, yung mga COMELEC natin, ginagawa ang lahat para itigil na ganun. Pagka makatanggap kami ng report, pinapupuntahan ko kagad ng police at saka ng COMELEC, especially in the hotspot areas. We will do our part as the government. We will do our part to continue to enforce all of the laws that do not allow the use of vote buying as a part of the campaign. Ang aking payo lang sa ating mga kababayan ay huwag nyo naman itatapon ang inyong karapatan na makapili ng inyong mga barangay official. Dahil alam nyo naman po na ang mga barangay official, ang mga kaharap ninyo araw-araw, ito ang mga tinatakbuhan ninyo para makatulong sa inyong mga problema. Kaya kung idadaan lang sa bayaran, ay hindi kayo mawawala yung boses ninyo at hindi nyo maipili kung sino ba ang dapat talaga na mamuno dyan sa inyong barangay at sino ba ang talagang makakatulong sa inyo na harapin ang mga iba't ibang problema na pang-araw-araw na hinaharap ninyo na dinadala ninyo sa mga barangay official. Huwag nyong itatapon ang karapatan ninyo na mamili kung sino ang mamumuno doon sa inyong mga lugar, sa inyong mga barangay.
Sir, yung second question lang po,
Yes.
how crucial is barangay and SK elections when it comes to governance and midterm elections?
I cannot overstate the importance of the results of the barangay elections. It's very simple. I mean, the political dynamic is very simple. Halimbawa, if you're running for mayor, and the majority of the barangay officials are on your side, are helping you, ay talagang malaking bagay yun. It will make it much easier to be elected at the local level. But this applies all the way up to the national level, up to hanggang sa mga, for the midterm elections, for example. What happens here in the barangay elections, the results of the barangay elections today are going to have an effect on the results on the midterm elections and then subsequently in the national elections. So it is that important. Alam naman natin ang sistema that I always say that as a national politician, I always say that of all the elected officials, it's the barangay officials who can actually tell you, I will deliver this many votes. Pag sinabi ng mga barangay na magde-deliver ako sa iyo ng 350 votes dito sa aking barangay, asahan mo 350 yun, totoo yun. Kaya napakahalaga ng resulta nito para sa aming mga politiko, napakahalaga ang resulta ng barangay election. And that's why ang sa aming assessment, kuminsan nagiging napakainit ang barangay election dahil talagang crucial yan at it is held at a very intimate personal level. And that's why sometimes nagkakainitan ng husto Kaya't yun ang ating gustong iwasan.
Salamat po, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Salamat.
President. Thank you.
Good,